unprecedented. Captain Ibrahim Traoré shocked everyone. He was welcomed by Vladimir Putin's most powerful aircraft. Vladimir Putin also surprised everyone with his symbolic gesture. He had never used this plane to welcome anyone. Never. Captain Ibrahim Traoré was escorted by Vladimir Putin's most powerful fighter. This gesture is a powerful message to the entire world. A new development is being born. Africa is no longer alone. It now has formidable allies ready to do whatever it takes to restore global balance and bring about economic development never before seen in West Africa.
Captain Ibrahim Traoré ekopie Moscow, Russia, to observe their Victory Day parade celebration. That is the 80th one, of course, and this victory came about in 1945. Now, Captain Ibrahim Traoré is trending all over on the internet. Adentia, saka video no, into the video ni nyina Ibrahim mamamashe. Na yemamu some little background to why Captain Ibrahim Traoré is trending on the internet. And he's saying, ideally, if a country invites you so by attending the program, normally, the visiting guests did on one flights and on one protocols beko. But when Russia for Esma almost special jet, and before Captain Ibrahim Traoré straight from Burkina Faso to Moscow to observe this Victory Day parade celebration. Now we nakoya dibia as and see that on the West African soil. Assign, why do you think say Captain Ibrahim Traoré benya this special treatment from Russia? The reason is that Obet now only ayon kufane woman temnu is becoming much stronger and tighter because buano various ways helping the country into okohono just say the welcome of the Russian Federation and to the Russian president it was so amazing in the amount for so this kind gesture Russian President Putin in place to bring Captain Ibrahim Traoré to Russia to observe their Victory Day parade celebration. Inte busuya, sanka video inte the video na abechiram. Inte busuya so hwe me on YouTube, obetimi abo subscribe button no so. Na so hwe mo Facebook so na say TikTok obetimi abo follow button no so. Subscribe next time the video be out you be the first person to be notified. Hey, in some world.
Ibrahim Traoré, the leader of Burkina Faso, arrived in Moscow today to take part in the 80th anniversary of the Victory Day, the parade that is taking place in Moscow right now. And he came in a different style. He was flown all the way from Burkina Faso to Moscow, Russia, in Russian diplomatic plane, as you can see for yourself. It was a beautiful picture to see. How many other African leaders have you seen in this victory parade? Even I was disappointed when I heard the South African leader is not coming or he hasn't arrived. He should be there. China is representing. Oh, by the way, do you know what they did to Robert Fico, the Slovakia's leader? The EU did him dirty. They did him dirty. You know what they done to him? They closed the airspace in the Baltic state so that he can't go to Russia. They've been doing everything to stop him from going to that victory parade. And the last straw, they did him. They got him big time. The guy was supposed to fly from Slovakia through the Baltic state and then enter into Russia from the Baltic state, because obviously he cannot go through Ukraine right now because of the situation that is happening there, the war that is taking place in Ukraine. Guess what the EU did? They shut the airspace in the Baltic state so that Robert Fico is not able to attend that Victory Day parade in Russia. Now you see why sometimes I say these people are behaving like mafias. They're behaving like they control everyone. And sometimes they do control all of us, because what can we do at the end of the day? Now Robert Fico is looking for alternative route to attend the victory day, and he has to be there tomorrow. Otherwise, he will miss it. And it is understandable if he misses it, but it is funny. Anyway, let's get back to our own Ibrahim Traoré. Let's talk about Ibrahim Traoré. Let's forget about all of these European leaders. Traoré represented. He came in style. The guy is protected no matter what anybody say. Where is the Nigerian president? Where is the Ghanaian president? Where is the Sierra Leonean president? Where is South African president that used to be in the forefront? I don't know what's going on these days. Where are they? The leader that represent the world are all in that victory day parade. They attended, even though, what's the word I'm trying to get here? Even though Ukraine had made threat to do this or do that, people have attended because they know they will be protected. They are secure. Nothing is going to happen to them. Because obviously Russia had taken the security of their visitors to the highest level. It is what it is. Ibrahim Traoré touched down with style.
Yo, Ebusians also looking very younger. They have a better lifestyle. And they look very smart. And I recommend the apple cider vinegar from Goli. And the super fruits. And the super green. And the ashwagandha gummies. And the sleepy gummies. Then you know free Goli nutrition. What US. Now so say Utubia. Miss Cromendi say obey use promo code. Promo code in the description of this video. And as I say, you also want to be part of check the description part of this video. Now I join free. Now I end some cool cash. Let show how far. Enjoy. And say so open to Chirmubia. Obet me inboxing me. Now my boy now joining. So also register as your content creator. And I say, wow, she has opened media to the description part of your video. And I saw the battle video I see both YouTube, Facebook, and the business also me contacting me. Now I share the way registration here free. You can join in the description part of this video. Details in the description part of this video. Now with the budget piece I was joining. Yes, Goli gummies. So me see Goli and work gummies. Goli gummies. Apple cider vinegar. Super fruit, super green, any ashwagandha, any nyaki home. Yes, Goli, a good product. But me I join your moon. Now I need some cool cards that show offer. Yes, Goli gummies.